guys, Jake and Kieran here from Dave's Hot Dogs. And today we're in a car park. Yeah, I know. We're in this car park of a hotel. We're going to look at the lift. Because, I mean, there's this lift that's a bit stupid. Like, the doors come out of alignment so you can see the shaft. We've got to go to level 2 though, because there's a camera. So we've got to make sure we don't show that camera. When are you going to walk in?
Look, I'll see if it does the other stupid thing. 7. Re-level. No, Jake, stop melting out! Jake, will you stop melting out? Look, guys. Jake, come to the top, come to the top.
Oh no, I didn't like how it levelled.
It's fine, it's stuck. You know the logic in here is actually quite good.
Yeah, I know.
It can take
it
safety
smells.
breaks.
It really does smell.
It don't smell that bad. Should we show them the cinema one in a minute?
Wait, it stops.
Well,
But it's not levelled.
Look, see how temperamental that is.
See if we can get the shaft thing. They're doing the shaft.
Go on. Right, okay.
You try.
No, you don't. You don't. Just put him. Oh, shit. Try it again.
You try. I'll take cover. Kieran's a professional.
Come on.
Didn't work.
I think they fixed it.
Try it.
Wait.
Safety brake it.
Doors are locked. No.
Okay, fine. Wait. It's like a safety brake.
I don't think we will. Go in there and push the doors in when it goes up, then you safety brakes. Oh. Go in there and push the doors in when it goes down, that safety brakes it. Yes, that's got. Oh!
Stop working. Ready?
Should we stop filming now?
No.
Because then if we go too long.
Yeah, true. Yeah. We'll film it. So it's the next one. This is the city one. See if it fits, because last time it broke.
Let's go in. Do you want that?
Oh,
Look, Jake.
The hell is that?
Go see what it is.
Oh wow.
Push it.
Dude. What is that? Kid's toy. Oh, my arm's falling off. Where's the arm?
And there. There's the arm.
Drop it. Kieran. We'll keep this.
No, Jake. Come on, let's get down.
We know that.
Let's go down the street.
We know that door. Yeah, that comes up in a minute.
Yeah, they got the spray paint off it. This is one creepy car park as well.
Yeah.
You think it's creepy, don't you?
Yeah, it's proper creepy. Oh, you feel the shaking?
Yeah. And look at the doors, are they more open that side, they're more closed up there. Oh shit.
Oh, cool, let's start. Come. Right, let's go.
Well, do your intro thing.
Yeah,
Do it in the left.
we're in a pound mode lift. It's really terrible this one. We thought we almost got stuck in here once. And the floor, if look, listen.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
Don't do it too much.
I'm not, I really don't like this lift.
What do you
It's
think
really
of
bad.
this
It's terrible.
Do you want to read out the brand? That's a laugh.
Where is it? High-tech systems.
High-tech lift.
High-tech lift.
Should we go
my
down?
Arse.
It
Let's go
levels so long when it goes down.
Let's run a pound world.
This lift fits into a pan well.
8 persons. Does he look like 8 people can fit in here? Show him. I don't think 8 people could fit in here. Only just amount. It's just me and Kieran who can fit here at least. Can we start?
Oh, you're fucking going down. Oh yeah. Give me the ticky tape percent.
Yeah, next.
You clear the position sheets
next
up.
lift we're going out to this one that's blacked out. Because someone took the lights out. For that, you'll turn on your flashlight when you're carrying. You'll
No.
turn on flash. No, because then you can see.
Look,
And plus,
this is the scary part, look. Just look, button's gone out. Look. Come on that so you can.
Yeah. So this lift is in the preliminary car park. Well, it's not really much of a lift. I mean, it's just like this service lifting. Whatever it is, it's made by a Rona. And there's no lights. Let's go in there, Kieran. So there's completely no lights shone.
Hold the door open, hold that phone.
Right.
Look, all the light bulbs have been. I think because they're halogen, the wire's been cut that connects the thing to the bulb.
Yeah.
I think vandals have cut that or something.
So we're going to the ground floor and look.
We can't see shit.
You can't see anything.
You can see the indicator and the button.
That light, by the way, is the.
That's it.
Look, watch how light it gets when it opens. So let's go back up.
Look, it's a small. It says 8 persons again. Oh, there's one of the wires for the lights.
Move out the way, move out the way, Kieran, we're going up.
It's fine. That thing, that's the thing that's speaking.
Right, come on.
Doors closing.
It's really cheap. It's a Rona. A Rona's terrible.
Yeah, Rona lifts, they stop when you jump. They safety brake when you jump.
Yeah, but we're not going to do that. So that's that lift. We're going to exit this lift now. And go to the next lift.
Look, they're big
Look at
lights. Let's watch it close up.
Straight it closes, isn't it?
Now you press zero. Listen. Jane, come here. Jane, we're doing the film. Do you want to do a little?
Film this one, yeah?
Yeah, do you want to do a little?
Yeah, go on, film.
It's on.
Yeah, this is a library lift, so we've got to be quiet. It's called a swallow. Yeah. Oh my god. The mirror's gone. What's happened to the mirror?
Oh no. Someone smashed it.
Yeah, this is made by Swallow. Yeah, so, would you say it's a cheap lift?
Yes. These buttons are just shit. That indicator is just straight out of the cheap factory in China. Don't keep hitting me. Because you know there's been some cheap lifts. And you know what they do when you hit the door open button?
Oh.
When it's not open, they got a service.
Oh yeah.
There's been somebody that shit to do that.
You can see all the hot glue. I don't recall. Yeah, so what's the next lift we're going? Morley's or
Yeah.
the shopping mart. Shopping centre one going to the car park.
Oh shit.
Well, we'll probably do a part 2 video. What's the next one in the shopping centre?
No, I need to show
It's
in Morley's.
in Morley's, not the food shop. Well, I mean, it does have a canteen, but I mean, it's a Kone. It's a Kone mod.
No. It used to be a 70s Evans lift, controlled by relays, now it's a Kone lift.
Oh, yeah, it's a Kone mod.
Yeah. That's what it just says Kone.
And what's your favourite company, Kieran?
Kone.
What is it?
Kone.
Kone. Kone.
That's G. Look, so the doors. Oh shit, we can get the thing there, Jack.
No, we're not.
We can possibly.
Get in the lift. It's very slow. Wait, no.
This is fine, though.
Leave it. Don't touch it.
Fucking hell, mate. I know what I'm doing.
Where is it?
You used to have a phone in there.
Oh, I thought it was a logic cabinet, isn't it?
If it was a logic cabinet, we wouldn't be moving by now.
Yeah, next one we're going. We're going to the shopping centre one, going to the toilets. Go.
There we go. Filming. Go and check.
This is the one going up to parking.
West car park left.
There's only one button, so you don't know which one's going to come first.
Left or right?
Looks like left might become enough, but
Yeah, that is left.
I I bet this one.
Keep the camera down for always. Oh no. Oh, then what?
So we'll start from the top.
Doors closing.
So this one, is how you get up here parking.
This used to be a express lift. Now it's been modernised.
We'll take the right one down.
Now it's been modernised by Fizz and Crop. You were mentioning about your chicken crisp.
Upper parking level west. Doors opening.
That's the right room.
Yeah.
There's a key. Climb on that
No. Look at this lady.
one. Illegal?
Metal stone.
We're carrying the next one, is it?
Is it kind of? Is it scrolling? When it's scrolling, it means it's coming up. There we go.
Camera down. So now I'm going back to ground. What's S?
Bolt.
What?
That's a stop button.
Oh, okay.
Sort of security device.
Doors closing.
So yeah. Yeah, the S is the stop button, so in case of emergency, just stop.
This is the right left. It's lift 2.
No, Kieran. No.
Oh.
Stop shaking it. Stop shaking it.
Welcome. Mall shopping level.
Mall.
Doors opening.
I want to go now. Right, go on then.
Are you recording?
Yep.
This is W.H. Smith. You'll just cut that beginning bit out. Yeah, we're in W.H. Smith. The chime is really annoying. It's just really...
You know this used to be an old lift? Like an 80s lift. This used to be an 80s
This
lift.
chime is annoying, doesn't it?
Yeah. This used to be a 90s, 80s lift. I
Oh,
believe.
here it is.
I don't know what brand of 80s lift. I'm guessing it's going to be 1980s Fizzing, like the mall ones.
Put the camera down.
No, because the mall ones, Jacob. The mall ones are express, but they're Fizzing. I don't really know that for my Sainsbury's.
Doors closing.
Why are all the buttons lit up?
So it's generic. At least if the lights don't work, you're going to see
Well,
it.
listen, do you hear the door?
Is going up.
CBEs. Yeah, I know. In the floor is lava. You must have heard me. You must have heard me say CBEs. I go first floor CBEs.
You should do it. You should do it for ground. You should do it when it's this ground floor.
Doors closing.
Stop.
Let me do it.
Look. This is another door.
Is going down.
Don't know what this is
For
used
some reason.
Look out the right side.
Oh, don't piss about. Don't piss about.
Doesn't matter. Not the ground floor. You should have done it. Do ground floor. Do ground floor.
Ground floor.
What do
Doors opening.
Yeah, next lift is going to
H&M.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I think you might be able to like USB 2.
No, it'd be VGA to the red, yellow, green.
No, I see you have a USB one.
Yeah, maybe.
That might work. We'll check that when we get back to yours. I don't have any games though. This is the one in H&M, and when we get to the top floor, there's a really funny chime.
This one has been safety broke by me before.
Yeah, and we've been kicked out because of our friend Stephen. You can just delete his name out.
No.
No, you're not
I'm
gonna.
shit.
Yeah, our mate Steve. Well, he's not really our mate, but I mean, he got us kicked out for shouting. Come.
Go on.
And
Alright, yeah.
if you come out here, it's only works on top floor. It's funny. Right, let's go back down.
Doesn't register. This was installed in 2010.
Schneedler. It's 13 persons. Again, lies. No, Kieran.
Oh, come on.
Kieran, no. No. So, next one, boy. So it's the TK Maxx lift. I think this is going to be our last lift today.
So lift-wise left. MRL.
This is going to be our last lift today, I think.
No, what about Wilco?
Yeah, we'll go next, and that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're doing it all another time.
Next lift we're going to do, obviously we're going to go back down.
Yep.
Yeah, it's one of the doors that, it's one of the lifts that have 2 openings, so got one in the back, one in the front.
Big ass lift.
TK Maxx, you know, is pretty good, you know, it sells some really good stuff.
Got
Oh yeah, guys, comment down below if you like this. This is what I'm wearing, my finger gloves. See if you like what I'm wearing. And stop Kieran jump. Oh yeah, comment down below, hashtag Kieran the jumper. Next lift. So we're in Wilco. They called it lift number 1.
Yep.
Which probably means floor. I called it.
No, it means lift number 1. They're numbered. So if you get stuck in there, you'll say, they'll say, oh, what lift number is it? Then you'll say lift number 1.
Number 1.
Yeah, then they'll know. Then they'll know what number it is.
How many lifts are in here?
Just, in fact, there's a service lift at the back actually.
True.
I've seen it.
We're not allowed in there.
We could ask.
Try.
For a little trip. So we're not going to damage it, are we? We just want to use it. Thank you.
Oh.
When the hydraulic charges.
Oh, is it? There's a camera up there, yeah. No, Kieran!
Don't give a shit about the camera.
No, I don't want to get stuck in a lift.
You
because
won't
of
get
you.
stuck.
Should we go one last ride down?
Yeah. See? You need to stop thinking this thing. No.
No, it's down.
You need to remember to listen to some line. No. Why do you want to join
M&S lift.
Yeah. Go on, you want to do a contract?
Yeah, we're in the M&S lift.
AK, the sweep.
And we're gonna go down, then up, then. Yeah, Kieran's doing a little bit of shaking. That's enough shaking, Kieran. That's enough. I know you enjoy shaking it, don't you?
The noise. Up.
Right, we're gonna go back up now.
Yeah, I need to put this on charge. Just switch into low power mode.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Nothing's stopping us from me. No. Stopping us from me. Ready?
It's squeaking. It's very loud squeaking.
Yep. Now I'll put this on charge. Should we go down then?
Let's get it. Yeah.
No.
Right,
Then we
wait,
take
you
down
take
the
your
gap.
one shake. You've only got to shake once, yeah?
Doesn't matter.
No more shake.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, as long as you're in the blind spot, you're alright.
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing.
Not too much. Oh my god, look at the doors. Film the doors. Right, let's go. Thanks for watching, guys. Next video we'll be doing blue water, and then the video after that, part 2 is going to be filmed in blue water, part 3 is going to be filmed in Bromley. So see you guys.
Yeah, peace out.
Peace.
Look, there's a lift there.
That last.